Welcome to another exciting video, where we'll explore the world of passive income and discover the top 10 ways to earn money while you sleep. If you've ever dreamed of making money without actively working for it, you're in the right place. But before we dive into these lucrative opportunities, be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Now, let's uncover the secrets to financial freedom. Number 10. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is like owning a piece of a company. When you buy shares of a dividend-paying company, you're entitled to a portion of its profits, distributed as dividends. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly and can be a valuable source of passive income. Companies that consistently increase their dividends over time are especially attractive, as this can lead to substantial long-term income growth. Keep in mind that the stock market can be volatile, so it's essential to research and diversify your dividend stock portfolio. Number 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, is an innovative way to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. Borrowers apply for loans, and as a lender, you can choose which loans to fund. In return, you receive both the principal amount and interest payments over time. P2P lending platforms offer a user-friendly experience, making it easy for you to diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risk. Just remember that, like any investment, P2P lending carries some degree of risk, so it's crucial to spread your investments and research borrowers carefully. Number 8. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding has emerged as a popular way to invest in real estate without the hassles of property management. Platforms like Fundrise and Real2Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects by pooling your money with other investors. You can choose from various investment options, including commercial or residential properties. Rental income and property appreciation generate returns, which are then distributed to investors. It's an excellent way to diversify your investment portfolio and benefit from real estate without being a landlord. Number 7. Create and sell online courses. Creating and selling online courses can be an excellent source of passive income, especially if you have expertise in a particular field. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable provide platforms for course creation. Once your course is live and gaining students, it can continue to generate income as more learners enroll. Focus on delivering high-quality content that addresses a specific need or problem, and over time, your courses can become an evergreen source of income. Number 6. YouTube channel or blog. Starting a YouTube channel or blog is a creative way to make money passively. Content creators produce videos or articles about topics they are passionate about or knowledgeable in. Monetization options include advertising revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling merchandise or products related to your content. Building a dedicated audience is essential for success in this space. Once your content gains traction, it can keep earning money through ads and other revenue streams, even while you're not actively creating. Number 5. Automated dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products without stocking inventory. When a customer places an order in your online store, the product is directly shipped from the supplier to the customer. The difference between the selling price and the supplier's cost is your profit. With the right products and marketing strategies, a dropshipping business can run on autopilot, fulfilling orders and generating income while you sleep. It's crucial to research suppliers and select trending or niche products to succeed in this venture. Number 4. Write a book or ebook. If you have a talent for storytelling or expertise in a particular area, writing a book or ebook can be a fulfilling way to earn passive income. Once your book is published and available for sale on platforms like Amazon or Barnes & Noble, you can earn royalties for every copy sold. The more copies you sell, the more significant your passive income becomes. It's a creative endeavor that can result in steady income, especially if your book gains a following. Number 3. Create an app or software. Creating and selling your own software or mobile apps can be a lucrative source of passive income. Whether it's a productivity tool, a mobile game, or specialized software, there's a substantial market for digital solutions. Users purchase or subscribe to your software, and you can continue earning revenue from each sale or subscription. Keep in mind that the success of your app or software depends on factors like user experience, functionality, and market demand. Number 2, royalties from music or art. If you're a musician, composer, or artist, you can earn passive income through royalties. When your music is streamed, played on the radio, or used in films and TV shows, you receive royalties. Similarly, artists can earn royalties when their art is licensed or sold. Over time, these royalties can accumulate and provide financial security. The key is to keep creating and licensing your work to maximize your earnings. Number 1, real estate investments. Real estate investments, such as owning rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a stable source of passive income. When you own rental properties, you collect rental income from tenants, and your properties may appreciate in value over time. REITs allow you to invest in real estate portfolios without directly owning property. They pay out dividends from rental income and property appreciation. Both approaches provide consistent income, and your investments grow even when you're not actively managing them. So, there you have it, the top 10 ways to earn money while you sleep. These opportunities offer diverse paths to passive income, and the best approach for you may depend on your interests, skills, and financial goals. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with friends who are also looking to build passive income stream. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, may your passive income dreams become a reality.